Today's medical-centric topic is, do you need to shower correctly? Step-by-step hygiene tips. Showering is a daily habit for most of us, but surprisingly, not everyone showers correctly. Poor techniques can cause dry skin, irritation, or hygiene problems. By following simple yet effective steps, you can enhance your shower routine and improve your skin health. Here's a detailed guide to ensure your showers are both refreshing and beneficial. 1. Choose the right water temperature. Hot showers might feel comforting, but they strip your skin of natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Lukewarm water is ideal for cleaning your skin without causing damage. To invigorate your body and seal pores, consider finishing with a splash of cold water. Adjusting the temperature can have a noticeable effect on your skin's health. 2. Start with your hair. Washing your hair at the beginning of your shower ensures that any residue from shampoo or conditioner doesn't settle on your clean body later. Use a shampoo suited to your hair type and focus on the scalp, where oil and product buildup occur. Massage gently in circular motions and rinse thoroughly. When conditioning, focus on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair to avoid making your scalp greasy. Leave the conditioner in for a few minutes before rinsing completely. 3. Wash your body correctly. Cleansing your body requires a thoughtful approach. Use a gentle, pH-balanced body wash to maintain your skin's natural barrier. Begin with less oily areas such as your arms, legs, and torso, moving to oilier zones like the underarms, groin, and feet last. This method minimizes the spread of bacteria. Avoid scrubbing too harshly. Opt for a soft washcloth, sponge, or your hands to cleanse effectively without irritating your skin. 4. Don't skip hard-to-reach areas. Neglected areas like your back, behind your ears, and between your toes can accumulate sweat, dirt, and bacteria. Use a long-handled brush or flexible washcloth to ensure these areas are clean. Proper cleaning reduces the risk of odor and skin infections. 5. Rinse thoroughly. Ensure all shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are completely rinsed off. Residue can clog pores, causing irritation or itchiness. A thorough rinse keeps your skin healthy and comfortable. 6. Dry and moisturize. Pat your skin dry gently with a soft towel to prevent micro tears or irritation. Immediately apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Choose a fragrance-free option if your skin is sensitive or prone to dryness. 7. Adjust your shower frequency. While daily showers are fine for most, overshowering can strip your skin of essential oils. If you have dry skin or sensitive skin, shower every other day and use spot cleaning techniques as needed.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.